Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've opened up my heart to you, and what better day to do that than this random Tuesday morning? Yeah, so let's chat. I have a lot to catch you up on, especially what's really been going on with me mentally. So cue the intro. So I'm going to lunch later. I never do this, so I'm actually very excited. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my hair, do my makeup as we talk. Everything that I use is going to be linked down below, so don't worry. I'm not going to talk specifically about the products. We're just gonna talk about what's been going on, okay? Have a nice little chat. So if you're looking for something specific, check out the description box below. Now, let me get started. I posted a video last night, and I wasn't proud of it. Okay. The video felt rushed and really got to a point where I was just like, fudge it, post it, Jen. Post it and forget it. The problem with creating content nowadays is that you need to be constantly creating. And I've just been feeling like I want to go in the woods somewhere, sit down, isolate myself, and do what I want to do. Just tune out all the noise. And it's not even just content creation. There's so much on my plate too, which we're gonna get into later in this video. So yeah, back to the video that I posted last night. Like I was saying, I think it was a good concept. I think that it would make a great conversation around mental health and natural hair. But between you and I kind of feel like it was lost in translation just because I was rushing the video. It could have been made in a better way. The message could have been delivered in a better way. That's all I'm saying. And you guys know I'm hard on myself, and I'm very aware that I'm hard on myself. So it's kind of like, you know, let it be. Learn from this, Jen, and move on. But I just know where I want to be and the content that I want to create. Unfortunately, time is one of those luxuries that I just can't afford right now, though. I think the most successful content creators do have that balance, or at least figure out something that worked for them in terms of creating consistently and also keeping their sanity, because that's how you become successful in this field. You just have to be consistent, and people say that as if it's the easiest thing to do. Just be consistent. It is not. It's the hardest thing to do, to stay consistent. I don't know if you feel me, but if you are a content creator and you're out here drowning, I want to hear from you. Let me know how you're doing below, and let me know, if you have a system that works. I would love to hear from you. You're probably wondering, well, Jen, why do you not have time? The reason why I don't have the luxury of time, y'all, is because I am still working my 9 to 5. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm saying this on the public platform. I've made the decision to quit my 9 to 5, y'all. I don't know when, but I've made the decision that it needs to happen. And I'm just working through the kinks, figuring things out before that happens. And like, as scary as this is, and I have been crippled by fear when it comes to letting go of my 9 to 5, that mountain is too high for me to climb, but I am starting to climb it, and it makes me feel really good. Something that I have been avoiding for so long, something that I've been super scared of for so long, and now it's starting to sit well with my soul. And let me tell you when it hit me that I needed to let go of my 9 to 5, okay? So it all happened when they started to talk about us going back to work. I started to feel so stressed out going into work. Every time I had to go, I felt it. Like, I remember this one day I was driving to work, and I'm on the highway, and y'all know me. I'm very zen nowadays. I don't even recognize myself because I do yoga in the morning. I write in my gratitude journal. Like, I am very zen. So by the time that I left my house, I felt really good. Hold on a second. Let me put this powder on my face. And not on my black top. I don't know if I told you guys where I was going, but I'm going for lunch. Which I never do. This is very new, which is why I want to get cute, okay? Anyways, I was driving into work. I'm on the highway, and I'm playing my calming music, and I could feel myself getting more tense the closer I got to work. Like, my body was tensing up, my heart started racing a little bit, and like, one thing my therapist always say is to pay attention to the signs, okay? Because your body is talking to you, we just don't listen. So as I was getting closer to work, I was like, shit, I'm stressed out. I had to do some breathing exercising to calm myself back down. And that's how I knew. I was like, damn, I don't even need to physically be there. I'm going there because someone has decided that I need to be there. And I knew it. That's when I knew. And on top of that, okay, let me say something. On top of that, I had to pay for parking. Every time I go, I have to pay $20 for parking because I don't want to take the bus. I used to take the bus before, and now I don't really want to because I'm not trying to get the vid. So I have to pay $20 to be at work for the day. And you don't realize how long the work day is. 8 hours at work is a long time physically. And then I have to drive back home in traffic. Oh, no, boo-boo. It's okay, Jen. It's okay. I'm gonna be fine, y'all. This is not a complaining type video. I hope you're not taking what I'm saying the wrong way because I don't like to come and complain. I like to come with solutions. And if I am feeling some sort of way about my 9 to 5, then it's time for me to let it go, okay? We got to plan it out, do what you got to do, but clearly she has to go. I also don't have the luxury of time because I am planning a wedding. Like, planning a wedding takes a long time. I think I found a venue finally. So it's definitely gonna be a nice, small, intimate affair. Oh my God, I don't think I've ever talked to you guys really about the wedding. So only people that I love, like, enjoy, that wants to celebrate with me, that are generally happy for me and Stan, are invited to the wedding. Which means it's like 15 people. This is gonna be the quickest, most neutral makeup look. Exactly what I love. All right, what do I need to do? Eyeliner. Okay, I can't talk for that one. I'll be back. Ooh, that one turned out so pretty. Okay, I've been loving this eyeliner. And the reason why I love it so much is because of the tip. The tip, y'all, is everything. It's very sharp and it's very sturdy, so you're really able to flick it at the end and get the perfect wing. So let me do the other eye and hopefully it turns out okay. Okay, good enough. So needless to say, I've been feeling pretty overwhelmed. And it's so weird because I am overwhelmed in a calm way. I have this long ass morning routine now, y'all, that I love. So I make sure that I take my water, get my vitamins, my yoga. It's just all Jen. 200% taking care of Jen, and I love it. It makes it much more enjoyable, and I didn't even know. I didn't even think I would enjoy taking care of me more than I already do. Because y'all know I am the queen of self-care. I love taking care of me, and now that I'm much more intentional with it, it's more like I understand why, I know why, and I enjoy taking care of me. So I would highly recommend. Let me tell you something. I definitely need to make more videos about my morning routine, about my self-care routine, all of that, because it's been serving me very well, okay? I've also been extremely dedicated at the gym and nutrition. I recently got a personal trainer, which has really changed the game for me as well. Wow, you think you know what you're doing at the gym, but you don't. Girl, literally learning how to work out is a thing. It's a skill. Not only does she keep me accountable, she pushes me to my limits. And one thing I started realizing is that I am much more stronger than I think. There is a huge mind and body disconnect when it comes to me being at the gym, and it's also translating in other areas of my life too. So the gym has been changing me, not just physically but also mentally, girl. All right, so I think my makeup is done. Let me just put on my lipstick. I couldn't find the one that I really wanted to wear, so yeah, this will do. Ooh, I didn't do my brows. And my brows look a mess. I need to get them waxed. Or waxed. What am I talking about? I don't get them waxed. I need to get them plucked, basically. Okay, makeup is done. Now let's do hair. For hair, I feel like we need to do a whole hair update, y'all. but my hair is braided. Okay, it's been a while since we talked, and I got my hair braided almost 2 weeks ago, and I need to take it out. I actually booked an appointment to get my hair braided, and the girl canceled on me the day of, and it was so bad because the next day I was traveling. I was going to Chicago. MG, we also need to talk about that. Anyway, so I was left in shambles. So my mom helped me, and we just put my hair into these braids. Nothing fancy, but I loved the break. I loved not having to do my hair, y'all. Chicago. I went to Chicago recently. It was an amazing, amazing trip. Definitely what I needed. I met up with a lot of other influencers and had great conversations with them. Wow, invaluable. You don't understand how much you don't know until you talk to someone who's willing to share. And it was a great experience. Loved every second. There is a vlog coming, so don't worry about that. And when I came back from my influencer trip, I actually took a few extra days off of work, and it really gave me a taste of what my life could be like if I let go of my 9 to 5. So once I tasted it, I was like, oh my god, I really want to taste more. And that's the problem with working my 9 to 5 and trying to create content and being pulled in so many different directions, is the fact that, you know, I only have 24 hours in a day. So if I am killing it in my 9 to 5, then my influencer work is suffering. If I am killing it influencer wise, then my personal life, I'm not present, I'm not there. And that bothers me. I want to be present in my personal life. I want to be there for Bay. I'm about to get married, y'all, so you know. And I also want to prioritize taking care of me, like my own development and my morning routine and reading and all of that. So if I am pouring into me, then I'm not pouring into all the other areas of my life. So it's a lot, and it's starting to catch up to me. I'm getting old, you know. I want a peaceful life, not a life where I'm just moving all the time, doing something all the time. So I gotta make it happen. And I'm just, yeah, now I'm very hungry for it. And I think this is the mindset shift that I needed to happen for me to decide that I want to get this done and also go for it. All right, so I am all basically done. My hair is done. See, it's great not having to do your hair when it's braided. I missed getting braids. Anyways, I am rambling. I need to get going. What time is it? Oh, it is almost time for me to go. I will show you my outfit. I recently got these pants the other day. I went to the mall with my mom, and she was like, get them. And I was like, you know what, say less. I will. So I will show you my outfit shortly. But before I do that, I got this perfume actually maybe a couple of months ago, and I've never used it. I'm not even gonna lie, the reason why I got it is because of the packaging. Look how pretty. How pretty is this? Oh my god. This is Marc Jacobs Daisy Love, and it's a very sweet scent. So if you're not into sweet ones, it's not for you. But I feel like it's perfect for spring, perfect for brunch. Don't mind if I do. Oh, it smells really good. I'll put the notes on the screen somewhere, but I just love the bottle. Honestly, that's why I got it. It's because of the bottle. It's so pretty. All right, my outfit. I am wearing Aritzia pants, which you can't see. Let's see if I can show you. Okay, you can't really see it, but I'll show you when we get outside.